Hello everyone, this is Jay Sheth here and welcome to this video in which I am going to cover how to calculate term insurance. Now typically we have seen that most clients buy insurance in an ad hoc manner of around 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crores without really assessing whether that amount is good enough for them or not. So here we are going to try and see what assumptions can we use to arrive at an appropriate amount of insurance that is required for the family to sustain itself. So the major assumption over here is going to be the annual expense for the entire family. So let's say here we take this family has an annual expenditure of 15 lakhs, and in case of an early demise of the only breadwinner, this is the expense that the family should be able to sustain for the remaining life. So here if we take a typical life expectancy of beneficiary as 85 years and the current age being 35 years, which would mean that the insurance proceeds along with the current assets of the insured should be able to last the family for the next 50 years. Another assumption that we make is going to be the estimated return on investment on these insurance proceeds, right? So here we take that as 7%, which essentially is 2% above the inflation rate, which we have taken at 5%. So taking these assumptions for an expense for a family having an annual expense of 15 lakhs, the total life insurance required is 4.8 crores. So in this case, if this family had just purchased 1 or 2 crore of insurance, it definitely would have fallen short. Now also here what we need to factor in is if say for example this person already has a life insurance of 50 lakhs and he already has assets equal to 1 crore. That would mean the additional insurance that he requires is going to be 3.3 crores that he should buy so as to ensure that his family can maintain their lifestyle for the next 50 years. Now this does not include any goals that the family would have, that I will actually cover in the next video, along with also the fact that how do we adjust for the insurance amount when there is just not one person working in the family but the spouse also has an income. So those two aspects of goals and your spouse also having an income, we'll cover it in the next video. Thank you.